Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Jeanine Amapola and hello, it is a Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. I woke up about an hour ago. It is now 9 a.m. I'm going to be heading to the gym soon. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. I have been learning so much lately about nutrition, about food, about macros, micros, I mean literally everything, because I got this nutritionist about 4 weeks ago and I've been learning so much, you guys, and I'm excited to share with you guys, you know, eventually everything I've been learning and just kind of educate you guys a little bit more about what I've been learning. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I eat in the day. I'm also going to be partnering with LifeSum in this video. I've talked about this brand before in other videos and I will get into that a little bit later, but yeah, so I'm gonna start off showing you guys what I eat for breakfast before going to the gym. I just put on my gym outfit. I'm wearing my Lululemon sports bra, my Lululemon leggings, and then my New Balances. Something I wanted just to preface really quickly is, you guys, I'm not a fitness guru. I'm not Whitney Simmons. Like, I'm literally just a girl just like you figuring this out. I still have my body insecurities. I still have, you know, my doubts or areas where I'm struggling or tons of things I still want to improve. So please don't think that I'm like this fitness expert. I feel like I'm still along my fitness journey, still trying to figure out what works for me and what doesn't and where can I improve and all sorts of things like that. So I'm excited to share with you guys what I eat in a day, what tips and tricks I've been doing lately that have been helping me avoid binge eating. And yeah, I'm excited to share with you guys as well LifeSum. So let's go start making my breakfast for the gym, and then yeah. So before the gym, I take this. These are CLA coconut oils and aminos. So basically maintains lean muscle, reduces body fat, and boosts recovery. Basically what you do is you can take 1 scoop with or without food in the morning, and then you can also take 1 in the afternoon if you want. Here I have this in my shaker right now. I'm about to finish taking this and then I'm gonna go make some breakfast. All right, so welcome to my kitchen. Hello. So today for breakfast, I'm going to be doing oatmeal. I actually typically do oatmeal every single day. I love oatmeal. I love it. This is the one that I eat right here. This is amazing because this will keep you full really, really long because it has like quinoa and flax seeds and chia seeds and it's whole grain oats. It's way healthier for you. It's also gluten-free, and this will keep you fuller longer, and it only takes about 2 minutes to make. So I just, throw this into a little bowl, and then I'll put like half a cup of water, a little more than half a cup of water, and throw this in the microwave for 2 minutes. And then while that is cooking in the microwave, I go ahead and cut up some strawberries and then wash some blueberries, put it in there, and that is my breakfast. So that's super, super quick. And then I'm going to make a little bit of coffee because I need my coffee, I need my energy before my workout. I sometimes take pre-workout, just depends on the day if like I really, really need that boost. But today I don't feel like I need that like insane boost. Like I got enough sleep last night. I got 8 hours of sleep, which is crucial for your health and your fitness journey. I don't feel like I need pre-workout today, but I do enjoy drinking a cup of coffee every morning because I'm addicted. Yeah, I know. Okay. So I'll get more into the LifeSum app in a little bit, but I am not perfectly tracking my macros right now, but I do like to do it sometimes just to kind of see overall, like, okay, what did I eat? How many calories did I eat today? But I don't do it like every single day because I don't want to be obsessive with the numbers. But I do love this app because you can get recipes and stuff on here. Like I make these chia seed pancakes on here, which, oh my gosh, they're so good. Like I like it because it has like recipes and stuff. Chia seed banana pancakes that I made a while ago, and they're so good. So I love this app because it has a bunch of recipes on it. I can punch in right now the macros on that oatmeal. So I can type in Trader Joe's, wait, I might even already have it saved because it's cool because it can save your recent ones on here. But I can scroll through here. Yeah, unsweetened instant oatmeal. So here are the macros. I'm gonna add that to my diary and you can see how that affects your like daily plan. 5 grams of protein, 27 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fat, and then 0 added sugar. That's why it's so important. Like the less sugar you guys can do, the better, seriously. So that's awesome. So those are like the macros for that oatmeal. And yeah, and oh, that was quick. I was chit-chatting and I forgot to cut up my strawberries. Oh. Y'all, I have this saying that I do one dumb thing a day, and that was my one dumb thing of the day. So yeah, this is what a typical breakfast looks like for me. Some coffee, some oatmeal, and some fruit. Okay, so while I enjoy my breakfast, I'll explain to you guys a little bit more about Lifesum. So I've been using Lifesum for easily over 6 months. I found out about Lifesum from Whitney Simmons because I'm obsessed with Whitney. And so I downloaded it myself. I got the premium version because I wanted all access to the recipes and all the plans and everything. And for me, when I was like, you know, still figuring out my fitness and stuff, that app was, Lifesum was so crucial for me because I didn't know really truly how much I was eating. I didn't know what to do. Like it's a really great app for beginners. And I want to read to you guys really quickly exactly what this app is because I don't want to like butcher it. Lifesum is a nutrition focused app which helps you keep track of your health by logging your meals, exercise, water intake, and giving you access to personal healthy eating plans such as clean eating, ketogenic, 5-2, or high protein. Be your best buddy to put on some extra muscle mass. The app will provide you with personalized feedback based on your tracking in order to achieve your health goal the easy way. So it's really, really great for that. It's seriously like so helpful because you can track your water and like it'll automatically import my data from my watch to let me know how many calories I burned in my workout and how that affects my day, what I'm eating and everything. So it's great. So definitely you guys, if you want to know typically how much you're eating in a day, or you want to track your macros, or if you want to get more recipes, or you just want to start, you know, really pushing towards a goal, this will really help you do that. So I hope you guys will download the app. So if you guys are interested in downloading it, it'll be linked down below for you guys. And again, like I said, I have the premium version because that's what I downloaded even before I did this partnership with them, because I loved getting access to all the recipes, because like I never knew what to eat for the longest time. So I love the access to all the recipes that they teach you on there. So definitely guys, download it down below if you guys are interested. And I'll show you guys a little bit later kind of how I use the app and everything like that. But for now, we're gonna eat my food. All right, so before I go to the gym, I'm gonna show you guys really quickly what I eat after the gym. So what I'm gonna do is take 2 scoops of this with me in a Ziploc bag, and then I'm gonna bring an apple because I like to run errands after the gym. So this will be my post-workout little snack. And I really like this protein because it's plant-based, it's gluten-free, non-GMO, has 18 grams of protein. So I'll just take this with me in a little Ziploc bag to the gym. Okay, so I just finished my workout. I'm dead. That was literally brutal. I hate so much doing arms, but now I'm going to drink my protein powder. I'm just gonna drop it in my little shaker from the blender bottle. I'm literally like shaking because that workout literally just beat me up. And then I'm gonna go walk on the treadmill for just like a little bit. Oh shit. I just made such a mess. Oopsie. Can I also just say how many beautiful men are at this gym? Like, oh my gosh. Alright, next dumb thing of the day, forgetting my camera at the gym. I was literally just like getting ready to start my errands and you know, whatever. And then I was looking in my bag for my camera and I couldn't find it anywhere. And I was like, oh my gosh, I left it on the treadmill. So I like sped back. I'm so thankful that there's good people in the world who turned my camera in at the front desk. Praise God. All right, now I can carry on with my day. All right, so while I'm running my errands, I'm gonna be eating an apple because this will keep me full for a really long time. And I just love them and they're healthy. And then I'm gonna go home and make some lunch. But for now, this is always like my go-to travel snack. It's the best, keeps me full, healthy, love it. Okay guys, so I'm back home. I finished my workout. I ran a bunch of errands. I'm really tired, actually. I might get another cup of coffee, but I'm back home and I made some food yesterday that I'm going to eat now. So I made some healthy pasta yesterday. This is quinoa pasta. So I pre-made this yesterday, which I've honestly learned, you guys, the best way to stay on track and the best way to just kind of, you know, stay on your fitness journey well is just to prep ahead and to make extra food so you can just have it ready to go the next day so you don't end up binging and all this stuff. Because that was my problem before, is binge eating, and it still definitely kind of is, but When I eat pasta, it keeps me full really, really long, and it's just delicious, and it also is healthy because this has like 0 sugars. It can be a little bit more high calorie, obviously high carb, but it keeps me full for a really long time. And then I pre-made my pasta sauce, which has zucchini, onion, spinach. I think that's it. And so I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up, eat this, and probably get another cup of coffee because I didn't even finish my cup of coffee this morning. I drink like that much. And if you're wondering, this is the pasta I'm using. It is organic brown rice and quinoa pasta. It's gluten-free, so I really don't feel bloated after this, which is great. And for half a cup, it is 200 calories. You can punch it in your Lifesum app if you so please. And I'm gonna make this because I am hungry. Boom. Make sure you literally add like everything if you are going to be tracking, like everything that's not water basically. Okay, so far it says I've burned 400, sorry, my hands are black because of my candle. I've burned 440 calories from my exercise. So far I've eaten about 200 calories of snacks. So far for lunch I've had 290 calories, and then for breakfast was 250 calories, and I still have about 1,015 calories left in my day. So yeah, this is just showing, for example, how I would track my macros. It's pretty cool. Again, I don't religiously follow it, but I do like to see kind of how much I am eating and if I am going over, you know, each day, but I don't religiously follow it, but it is a really, really great tracker for me to kind of understand what I am eating. So I just got 2 packages. I'm gonna open them up really quickly because I'm super excited about these 2 companies. Okay, so the first package is from Too Faced Cosmetics. I know this isn't really what I eat in a day, but hey, I told you guys I want to share more of my life, didn't I? It's a little stuffed animal. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh, cute. Liquefied matte longwear lipstick. Ooh, pink. Clover collection. So it looks like it's in, oh, of course I just dropped it. Okay, this is gorgeous. This is gonna be really, really great for traveling. So cute. Thank you, Too Faced. I have a package from my favorite online boutique. Well, one of my favorites. It's between Lulu's and this one. This is from Vichy Collection. I cannot tell you enough good things about this company. Okay, so I just showered and I'm trying on my new Vichy clothes, and you guys, this is why I love their stuff so much. I mean, it's adorable. Look at these shoes. And yeah, I got like, oh my gosh. Okay, apparently these aren't the most stable shoes, but they're really cute. But I've almost twisted my ankle on them twice already now. Good Lord. But yeah, I got major bruises. I was on a slip and slide, as you guys probably saw from my vlog last week. Anyway, so yeah, here's the bodysuit and the skirt. I think these are so cute. Oh, I love their stuff so much. Here's the flannel top. I rolled the sleeves and then I tucked it in, but this would be kind of cute to like tie. So I really like this, and it feels really nice and warm. So this will be great for fall in Texas. So here is the top. I think this is so adorable. The only thing is like I'm struggling to zip it up in the back by myself. Can't get that. Here are the jeans. I have been wanting these jeans for so long because I see all the girls on websites using them. I love the way their jeans fit. It's a big fan. And then yeah, this top is just adorable. Okay, so I probably should have got this in an extra small, but this is what it looks like. It's like a really big flowy thing. So this is a little bit cuter when you wear it with like jean shorts or something like that. But with like a cute skirt or jean shorts, this would be perfect. All right, it's snack time. Going to make a smoothie. Putting half an avocado, some spinach, cup of milk, kale, 2.3 ounces, 2.9 ounces. And then to get some natural sweeteners in there, I'm just gonna put like 2 prunes. And that's it. It's really green, which is, it's good for you. You want it to be healthy. That's freaking good. When you put avocado in there, it makes the consistency of your smoothie so creamy. It's amazing. So this will be a great snack. It is currently 4:43. I'll probably end up eating dinner around like 6 or 7. And so this is a nice little snack to hold me over. Super nutritional. And then I'll show you guys what I'm eating for dinner later, and also this dessert that I made. It is so unbelievably good. I cannot wait to share the recipe with you guys. It's so good. Also, the reason why I measured out my smoothie again is to kind of just to see what I'm really putting in the smoothie, because before what I would do is I would just be throwing in so much stuff that it ended up being a lot of sugar, and I wasn't really like being aware how much sugar was in that. So I was kind of measuring out how much fruit I was putting in there, because mangoes tend to have a lot more sugar. And so that's kind of why I did it. And I also just, again, like to know what I'm putting in my smoothies, how much and all that. But again, I don't religiously track my macros every single day. But so far for today, I have 694 calories left. So that's a pretty good amount. Alright guys, so I just had dinner. It's now 8 o'clock, but I had a baked potato at 7:30. I didn't really describe the food because I was on the phone with my friend, but basically it's a baked potato. I will list the instructions for that baked potato down below, or I'll insert a clip really quickly so you guys can screenshot that or whatever. It's really, really easy to make. It literally took me less than 10 minutes to make, and it keeps me nice and satiated for a really long time. If I do decide to eat some dessert, I'm gonna eat some of this baked, I'm gonna eat some of this chocolate chia seed pudding that I made yesterday. But as of right now, I feel really good. I'm not bloated, I'm not like, ugh, like I'm not stuffed, I just feel good. So I love that feeling. I'm just gonna keep me full for the rest of the night. And yeah, so I'm going to now include really quickly the recipe for this baked potato. It's so delicious. I definitely want you guys to try it out. Here is the recipe right here. I got this recipe from my nutritionist. So yummy. Definitely try this out, guys. Lauren? Hey. Wow. Very enthusiastic.
Hi vlog. Do you have a name for your fans? Jeaners?
No, I don't.
Jeaninies? I like Jeaninies. Jeaninies.
Do you guys want to be called Jeanine? I just don't really want to call them a name because I feel
Jeanine Nation?
Some people said Jeanine-nators, but I'm like
Team Jeanine. Team Jeanine. Team Jean.
No.
Jeanine team.
Alright, we're gonna work on it. Also guys, I caved in and I'm eating my pudding.
You just keep seeing these shadows like who the heck? Hi.
Is that Shelby?
Shout out to Shelby.
Shelby! Hey baby! What's good, Mom? What? Oh, she brought the wine. The party's starting. I'm gonna have this recipe linked down below for you guys. Alright guys, so it is the end of the day. I have my retainers in. I'm packing right now for Austin because I'm heading to Austin, Texas tomorrow for Texas versus USC Hook'em Horns. I'm gonna be so excited to be back in my college town. Cannot wait. Definitely expect some vlogs from this weekend. It is now the end of the day. It is 12:30. Normally I don't try to stay up this late because I like to be in bed at like 11:30 and go to bed and wake up at like 7:38. But I procrastinated a little bit. Some friends came over, so that was fun. But enough rambling. Yeah, so that is what I eat on a day-to-day basis. You know, obviously it varies. Some days I give into more cravings than others, but today I felt like I was pretty good. The meals that I all ate were very fulfilling, satiating, and I felt good. I didn't feel like binging. I didn't feel like craving anything overly sweet. So today, I feel like today was just a really good day for me. So I will have the recipes down below. Thank you again to Live7 for sponsoring this video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed today's video and if you want more of these videos, because I definitely will do more of these. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out, Girl Scout. Bye, guys.